cycle of a wound is the skin breaks down, providing a pathway or portal for bacteria, viruses, or fungus to enter. The body's immune system fights the invader by walling it off with dense material and other defenses. Wound treatment assists the body's natural defenses by decreasing the amount of bacteria and/or augments the body's immune system with antibiotics. Wound treatment may also include antibiotics and nutritional supplements based upon what is learned during the history and physical examination. The phases of wound healing are called inflammatory, proliferative, and maturation. The inflammatory phase is characterized by redness, swelling, warmth, and pain. This phase lasts 4 to 6 days. The proliferative phase is characterized by production of collagen in the wound, generation of granulation tissue, which is healing tissue, and wound margins contracting. This phase lasts from 7 days to 6 weeks. The maturation phase is characterized by reorganization of the collagen tissue, scar tissue. This phase lasts from 21 days to 2 years, depending upon the patient's age.